Seasons greetings everyone, and welcome to Fine Art Lifestyle. It's a pleasure to have you on our channel, and I hope you are very excited for the upcoming Christmas season and for the festivities ahead. From our home to yours, Louie and Flora, myself, we're wishing you a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. We are currently sitting in my family room, which I had redesigned recently. I had a tight budget for Christmas. I did want to decorate. I set myself a $200 one-room challenge, took a look at what I can do for the $200 mark, and today I wanted to share that with you. If you can kindly like and subscribe, that would mean a lot to me. Thank you. Come along. I really enjoyed this lovely little ornament, glass ornament. It's like a Christmas book. It reminded me a little bit of a Charles Dickens, Twist the Night Before Christmas. How cute is that? It's got a little pages there, a little bit of sparkle, perfect for a black, gold, and white theme. Because I like slightly more traditional elements, you know, this is where you can include a Victorian-inspired antique aesthetic through this Victorian sleigh, but of course it's still modernized because it's black and white, and that's how you can make it a little more contemporary. And this is from the pack of 6 ornaments. It's almost like a paper mache, so it's very light and great for my 4.5-foot tall Christmas tree that maybe can't take very heavy ornaments. It's lovely. It has 3 designs on it. One is a Christmas tree, another one is a mistletoe, and there's also a pine cone. It has this lovely little black velvet hanging string, and I do like to embellish it with a black bow. Because I love animals so much, this really spoke to me. Lovely Canadian brown grizzly bear with his little black and white hat, still staying within that black and white theme. I really love what Canadian Tire is doing with their color-coded ornaments. It makes it so easy to decorate for the holidays. Thanks again for joining me today. I hope that this video was of value for you and you got a little sprinkling of inspiration for yourself for this holiday season. I am just starting out on YouTube, so your support really matters. If you can subscribe and at least like my video, that would honestly go a long way. Thank you so much. I'll continue to grow this channel and hopefully bring you more useful and inspiring material. Take care, guys, and happy holidays.